So I'm here at Shanti Niwas, attending Nari Group Diwali Bazaar. Hello Gulshan aunty, how are you?
गुड
आपका YouTube का चैनल है ना?
हाँ जी
किस नाम से?
गुलशन चड्डा की रसोई
गुलशन चड्डा की रसोई. आई नो आप खाने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे बनाते हो. ठीक है तो
मैं टिकटॉक पे हूँ
टिकटॉक पे भी हो? ओके, विल फॉलो यू ऑन टिकटॉक.
और मैं तुम्हारे साथ भी हूँ मैं कृष्णा के साथ भी हूँ और मैं और लोगों के साथ भी हूँ
काशिका तो हमारी क्वीन है.
Thank you so much for coming, Manisha. And this Nari event actually right now is coming to an end. But जिसने दिवाली की shopping की है, they've actually got fantastic deals. Like
Yeah,
see you there.
looks like amazing collection, amazing stalls here. Oh wow, beautiful. Are they artificial? Real ones? Really? Oh wow. So are they for indoors or outdoors? Indoors. Nice, they're beautiful.
All the Naris here.
All the Naris here, yes. I'll come back and I'll pick up some. So what's your name? Nalini. Okay, Nalini. So Manisha. Nice meeting you. So somebody, if they want to pick up some, they can contact you. Any business page you got? Any business page you got?
No. I'm just on Nari group, Nalini Bateriwala.
Okay.
Yeah, this
Oh.
is my passion. I do it for passion. So.
Okay, nice. I'll pick up some. So at Nari's event, I met my old friend Rani. Hi Rani.
Hi, Manisha.
And who doesn't know Rani? What are you doing here actually?
So now I am registered financial advisor, New Zealand qualified, and I am with Life Secure Financial Services. We offer mortgage and insurance services. Mortgage if you want to buy a new house or renew your house, development, construction loans, come to us. We'll be happy to help you out.
So Rani is here with Life Secure, and who's this pretty girl with you, Rani?
This is Jainor. She also with Life Secure and she is more well versed with insurance, whereas I can talk about mortgage.
Wow, so it's awesome jodi.
Yes, and we work with Sunil Goyal of Life Secure Financial Services.
Hum FM ad, yes, I've heard. And when do the people actually contact you? In what situation they will need your help?
If you are a first home buyer or if you're looking at renewing your mortgage, given that the mortgage rates are pretty low and you're coming up to your renewal, you can contact us much before your renewal time so that we can help you out with good deals and with cashbacks. We
Okay.
can help you with cashback offers.
Okay.
And also, if you're looking at construction loans or if you're looking at development loans,
So all first home buyers, they need to contact Rani Nalam, and at Life Secure Financial Services.
we also do all sorts of personal insurances like your life insurance, your trauma insurance, mortgage protection, all sorts of it. So probably we are your one-stop for mortgage and insurance. So do get in contact with us.
That's great. And what number? Any number, handy number you got?
Yeah, you can call on 021 247 1579 or 022 444 4470 or visit our website Life Secure Financial Services or our Facebook Life Secure Financial Services.
Awesome, Rani. Thank you. Thank you, Mehak.
No worries.
So I see something new here. What machine is this?
Thermomix. It's a German machine.
German machine.
Yeah,
What does
and
it do?
It does 20 functions in one.
20 functions in one.
So it likes. It's a blender, a bread maker. It has got scales, ice crusher, coffee grinder, pressure cooker, slow cooker.
So all in one.
all in one. And that
So I stopped here in herbal stall. It's Ayurveda and Yoga Center, and Dr. Sulekha Rani, she's here.
as soon as we stop, it comes down.
No, just
So I've been offered herbal tea, which is really nice. Dr. Sulekha is here, and she's offering herbal tea along with her yoga, health topic and knowledge she shares with the public here. So what sort of tea you are offering today?
it's a self-made herbal tea to detoxify your body. So there are 21 herbs into it, and it is good to detoxify your body and to make your digestion more active as well.
So what sort of ingredients can I see? Or
Ingredients are there: coriander, cloves, cinnamon, fennel. So these are the basic Indian spices. So, but there are 21 herbs.
so if people are interested to try out this, because I tried, it's really yummy
Yeah.
and it's really digestive. So where should we contact you?
I can give my number. It's 021 049 1626, and it's INZ Ayurvedic and Yoga Center, Papa Toyota.
Awesome. Thank you. Did he win? क्या जीता आपने? Alexa. Wow.
Check out my life in Auckland in my weekend video logs. You click the red button subscribe and you go into my tribe. Come out of the shell, ring that bell. हिंदी में बोले तो घंटा बजा देना ताकि मैं आप लोगों के दिमाग की बजा सकूं.